everybody, I just want to spend a few moments, welcome you guys to week 3, and kind of go over a few things for this week and a few things for coming weeks, and then that's really kind of the purpose for this video this time. And then later in the week, I will post a video kind of going over chapter 2 a little bit and providing some key things to hold on to as we move into later weeks and other chapters. So keep in mind that this week you'll have your discussion board and your quiz over chapter 2. Next week, keep in mind that your paper topic is due on Friday, February 8th. Again, that just needs to be a pretty short sentence. And the topic can be pretty much over anything as long as it relates to adolescence. So, and adolescent development. So, make sure that you're thinking about that, kind of getting that ready. If you have any questions on that, if you're not sure of a topic, or you're struggling to think of a topic, please email me, and I can help you with that. Or if you just have any questions before you turn that in, like, hey, is this a good topic or not? Let me know. And I can get back to you and help you with that. Also this week, you should be seeing an email for the program survey. I haven't heard anything on that yet, so I don't think it's been sent. But as soon as it is sent, I will let you know. But just keep kind of looking out for that. And also your Sona email and password should be sent out this week as well. So keep an eye out for that as well. Okay. And then the big thing I kind of want to talk to you guys about is the discussion board. So we will use this format throughout the semester. So the first time I like to spend a little bit of time kind of talking about it before we do it. So this week we're going to use Flipgrid. So this is a video discussion format instead of a written format. So you have 2 topics, early and late maturation, storm and stress. And for each one, if you click this here where it says link to this new topic, it will take you to the section solely dedicated to this topic. If you click this link here, it will take you to the section solely dedicated to this topic. So there's 2 different sections within Flipgrid, one for each of these topics. And then the same password will give you access to each one. So EPSY3213. So keep that in mind. You don't have to respond to both topics. You can do either or. You can do both. There's not a requirement to do both. So keep that in mind. And then also in terms of if you're referencing the textbook, you don't need to be like, so author, year, like you would in written format. Just quickly state the page number or a section of the chapter that you're kind of using to frame your post or frame the information you're providing. So it needs, in that sense, it's a pretty basic citation. I'm not looking for an in-depth citation in this format, but still make sure you're referencing the book, kind of a page or section of that. The rubric, so the grading is the same for the Flipgrid discussions. So if you have any questions on what I'm looking for in terms of number of posts or format of posts or anything like that, make sure you look at the rubric and kind of look over that. That is under the content, in the content section under course information. There's a discussion rubric there. So make sure you look over that. And if you have any questions after you look at that, or you're not sure on discussion posts, like what needs to be done, send me an email and I will answer any questions you guys have on your discussions. And if you have any questions about Flipgrid, let me know as well, and I'll get back to you guys with that. So that's kind of the big thing for this week in terms of the discussion. Your quiz is the same as it will be pretty much throughout the semester. So you have 2 attempts. You don't have to use both attempts. So if you like the grade you get the first attempt, then that's all you have to do. If you think, hey, I can get a better grade the next time, feel free to take it again. But remember that it does take the average of your 2 attempts if you take both, if you use both attempts. So keep that in mind. And yeah, so just keep that in mind on the quiz. That's how the format will be from this point forward, with 15 questions. There will not be any more short answer or written response questions on the quizzes like there was last week. So from now on, it'll be 15 multiple choice questions. So you will actually get a grade automatically upon completion. So that's kind of all I have for this video. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Email me, and I'll get back to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys later in the week. You guys have a great day.